In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress PDF on Canva. You can see I have already opened Canva on my MacBook. I need to click on upload, then again upload file or upload folder. I click on it. You can see 526 KB file size. Now it's already uploaded. Then click on open. This is 13 page. Now I need to click on share. Again click on download. You can see compress PDF. If I click on compress PDF, then click download.